How to fix call failed on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix that problem is by just going ahead and swipe up and make sure that you turn on the airplane mode on your iPhone. Okay, after 10 seconds or 20 seconds, just go ahead and toggle it off, and that should fix that problem of your calling being failed. Okay, the second way, if that didn't work out for you, what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold our right finger to our volume up or volume down, or to our left finger. Okay, and we're gonna hold like long enough until you see the screen goes down and you see the Apple kind of a logo to it. That means that it will restart your phone right away. The next step, what we're gonna do, if that didn't work out for you, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead to our settings. Okay, and from here, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go ahead to my general. Okay, and from here I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, and I'm gonna go ahead into transfer or reset iPhone, and from here I'm gonna go ahead into resetting, and here you're gonna see resetting network settings, and from there I'm gonna just go ahead into resetting network settings, and I'm gonna add my passcode, and it's gonna restart all my network settings on my iPhone. Okay, the last step that I want to show you, if that didn't work out for you, make sure that you insert the semi card correctly. Okay, sometimes it is from the semi card, right? So you need to pull it off and you need to insert it again, so to make sure that you get the problem fixed, and that should fix your problem of calling being failed. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.